Hello, welcome to Dams TV. It's Friday and we're going. Whoa. Liam's driving. Trusty whiz app. We're not going very fast.
No.
No.
We've got plenty of time, no reason to rush.
We're going whitewater rafting in Bala with Travis Perkins. A day out, all paid for and everything. This seat's warm. Feels like I pissed myself.
It's not heated seats.
Heated seats.
Or you may have just pissed yourself.
So I'm going to try and get some good footage if I can. The only thing I don't want to take my expensive camera, so I've got my phone and I've got my old camera, which I've got like a chest strap for. So I'll get some action of us going down the rapids. Cut to me and Liam and everyone else on the coach at Travis. We're all on the buzz. I mean, is there about 10 of us? No more. Pretty smart though, this coach, isn't it? Luxury.
Not as smart as our other one out there. I was going to get.
There's a buzz pouch outside, he nearly got on that. We're off, boys. Ooh. Off to Bala. Oh, we finally made it, boys. Look at this. The weather, we've got a great day for it. Weather's absolutely glorious. We've seen a few rapids. We're not too sure about it yet, though. I think we're late. We're straight in anyway. Straight in.
So when it comes to me on that,
Whew, look at that. Oh, cappuccino and sausage and egg just before we take on the rapids. Can't wait, it's going to be good. They're just pumping up the dinghies. Woo. Freshly delivered from Dover.
Travis Perkins, the only builders merchants in Bala. Woo-hoo.
Travis Perkins is the only building merchants in Bala. That's in Travis's colours. I think it's time, wetsuit time. So that's us wetsuited up and here we go. They wouldn't let me wear my camera. Oh, look at that one. Wouldn't let me wear my camera, so we just had to do pictures. For some unknown reason, I weren't very happy, but they wouldn't let me wear my camera. So this is where they turn you round and send you in like a hole, and then they paddle into this hole in the water. The boat fills with water. You get flipping drenched. There's about 3 or 4 of them. Probably 3 actually. Look at my face there. Look at Liam. Look at the water rushing in. Oh my God. It was great though. It was really good. Camera footage would have been amazing. But I don't know why they wouldn't let me. Look at that. It's another one we go down. You sort of go to the top and it's probably about maybe half a mile down river. It might be longer. Great though. Really good fun. So now we've swapped. That's Steve from Travis. The manager from Travis getting absolutely drenched. It was really good fun. Just want to say thank you to Travis for taking me. There's that prick. This flipping, our guide kept throwing the boat a certain way, so I'd go first in the rapids. Flipping idiot. Have some of that. Oh, this is Steve from Travis. That's him getting drowned there. Drowned the manager. So that's me trying to shove the weight forward so the boat goes under, do you know what I mean? That's basically what we did, guys, that they wouldn't let me on. They won't let me take my camera is what I mean. I'm not bitter about it at all. I'm not bitter and twisted. So I just had to get some footage basically of what actually happens. This is what I was saying, they turn you around and send you in the actual in the hole and it just like floods the boat. Great fun. This guy here, Matt, is our guide. I don't know why he's not. He was our guide in the raft. He was quite good, quite fun. He kept making it so no matter what side I was on the boat, that went first, like, you know what I mean? So I kept diving about and he just kept swapping it and drowning me, little prick. Do you know what though? He's a good sport. What is he doing? They put a spread on for us, look. Trifles, fruit, salad, chips, quiche, pies. Lovely. Don't mind if I do. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, get in the comments, and I'll see you next week for a bit of plastering.